Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review Eachlabs. Well, let me show you what this tool is and how it can help you, because it is not very straightforward. It is kind of aggregator of different AI tools and models which you can build in so-called workflows into step-by-step solutions. You can run those through a web interface. You have a lot of pre-built templates available for you for different purposes, converting video to text, text to image. You have different scenarios pre-built, and you can build your own. And as well, you have the ability to integrate with this tool. For example, you build a complex workflow which does translation over text, let's say from English to Spanish, then applying it to a talking head video, and then doing lip syncing. And you can do it in one call using software development kit provided, or you would be able to do that in one call with tools like Zapier with no-code automation builders. And this tool provides you a set of AI tools, and Eachlabs is not providing credits, so you will be paying as you go. For using particular tools, there is a cost estimate provided. So the limit in the plans is in the number of workflows. One workflow can convert text to video, another can transcribe a video to text, another one can generate a video from text. So you're not given credits here. So let's actually see how Eachlabs looks like and what it does. Here's the home page, and let me show you one of my workflows that I've tested. Let's begin with the simple one, video summarizer. So you have your steps here. You have the step to get the transcript from a YouTube video. You have the step of ChatGPT to process that. Here's the prompt that you see. So let's test that. You would need to hit run, and you will need to provide the YouTube video. Here is one of my videos about lifetime deals in general. So let's trigger the flow. And to the right, we'll see the outputs being generated by each step. First, we have our transcriber working. So here it is. We have the transcript. The next step is to generate summary from that. Here it goes. And basically that's it. That's one of the simplest workflows you can build. So we can see the summary here. And if we go back to my workflows, and here's the one actually I built from scratch. Not sure if you would use this kind of workflow. However, just to demonstrate to you what you can build with this tool. In this case, I'm getting a YouTube video as an input. So I have added input parameter, and you can add others as you like. So in my case, I've added YouTube URL. Then on the second step, I am accepting it as a parameter. The tool will suggest you all available parameters, so you don't have to type this kind of complex variable name yourself. Then we will generate 300-word summary for review video in a style of a poem, which will be used as a song lyric. And on the next step, I used song generator, the component provided by Eachlabs. So first of all, let's see my previous generation. We can go to the history. We can go to the result, and let's play this file. Let's play from the middle.
Every span is like a dream. Brand colors, fonts, all there to see. Templates flowing wild and free. Converting image to a video stream. A social
Okay, so you saw the result. So not sure if you would use exactly this flow, but just as an example. And in the history of the runs, you can see the cost associated with each of the steps. So again, you can see your balance and you will be topping up your balance yourself. You are not given any free credits. With Apsa module, you will be limited by the number of workflows. In my case, you can see I have 2 workflows already. You can extend a particular flow by clicking this button, and you can select from a lot of predefined components. And there are a lot, like image to text, image to image, image to video. There is, of course, text to text AI models, text to image. You can generate voice from your text. As we saw in my example, here is the song generator, and they work with different providers. I believe some AI models, they host themselves, and with some of those, they work on a service basis, for example, Eachlabs or ChatGPT. There are other components available for you. Yeah, so in our case, we can add another ChatGPT step, and we can define our own prompt. Let's say we can ask to translate generated poem into Spanish or German. And one more powerful feature, here you can see documentation. And those are the steps for triggering this flow. So imagine you have a complex flow to get transcript from YouTube video, translating, generating a song, maybe generating image or video, and all of that you can generate in one call. You can code that with this exact code in different programming languages presented here. And moreover, you can automate complex flows with simple HTTP requests. And it means that you can use no-code builder tools like Zapier or Make. And you can trigger all of these steps in one call. So let's see what kind of templates are already there. So you can see different ones like headshot, video generator. There are sound-related templates. There are templates for AI dubbing. So if we take a look at this one, we can see there are a lot of steps. So we can provide our own video, get the text from it. We can translate that. We can generate voice and then do a lip sync. So using one video, you can translate that into different languages and apply lip syncing with a transcript in another language to your original video. So yeah, there are different kind of templates available, and you can just go to your workflows and create any workflow from scratch. Like you can ask ChatGPT doing something, then based on that, generating an image, providing all of the parameters. And how would you connect those items? Let's say we would like to provide an input for image generator. Well, in this case, I've used actually image-to-image component, but that doesn't matter. I just wanted to show you how you can use the input from the previous step. So in this case, we'll use the input from this ChatGPT step as an input for the next one. Yeah, so with that generated image, maybe you would like to convert that to a video. Then maybe you would like to use video to further enhance that. Yeah, so whatever you like. And another interesting feature is that you can compare the output of different models. So you can select several, then you can use one prompt, run that, and compare the price. So you will see what would be the most effective model for your case. Yeah, so I think that's actually it. So yeah, Eachlabs is a pretty unique tool. Nowadays, there are tons of different AI tools for different purposes, and I think Eachlabs tries to provide one consolidated platform where they pick several models for particular use cases like text to video, text to image, so you won't have to select yourself among hundreds of models from different places. You can build your complex workflows, and then later you can call those workflows from a web interface, or you can do that with programming languages or with no-code automation tools using the software development kits provided by Eachlabs. Important thing here to remind that AppSumo plans provide the limit on workflows. So you can buy the license tier 3 and you will be able to have 25 workflows. If you would need to create a new one, you can just delete some others. But you will need to top up account of Eachlabs yourself. So you're not giving credits here. And overall, Eachlabs seems like a pretty interesting tool. So to get that, please check the link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.